Welcome to our video on healthy meal prep with quick and nutritious recipes. Overnight oats. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Prepare overnight oats by mixing rolled oats, yogurt, and your choice of toppings like fruits, nuts, and honey. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and it's ready to enjoy in the morning. Chicken and veggie stir-fry. For a quick and balanced lunch or dinner, try a chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Sauté chicken breast, broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas in a stir-fry sauce. Serve it over brown rice for a wholesome meal. Quinoa salad. Create a vibrant quinoa salad by mixing cooked quinoa with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, black beans, and a lemon tahini dressing. This salad is full of protein and vitamins. Veggie wrap. For a portable and healthy meal, prepare veggie wraps. Fill whole wheat tortillas with hummus, spinach, sliced bell peppers, and shredded carrots. Roll them up and pack them for a satisfying lunch. Roasted sweet potatoes. Roast sweet potato slices with olive oil, salt, and rosemary. They make a delicious and nutritious side dish or snack. Fruit parfait. End your day with a fruity dessert. Layer Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and a drizzle of honey for a delightful fruit parfait. Green smoothie. For a nutritious and quick drink, blend spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, and almond milk into a green smoothie. These recipes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. By incorporating them into your meal prep routine, you'll have healthy and convenient options readily available throughout the week. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet.